This is MikeBot. I'm going to be doing a new video today on the print-in-place fun creator that's on Cults3D. He's got a new app out called Articulated Things, so it's really neat app that I wanted to showcase on here. And it basically gives you the ability to make keychains that are flexible and different flexible types of masks and all that. Very neat software. He's charging about $6 Canadian for it. And I already have a copy of the software right here. So I've already done some prints, tested them. I know what's good, what isn't. But first, let's go ahead and start with how this works. So once you pay and download it, you basically double click and the app launches right away like this. So this is his 11th app he's made. I made a video on the other 10 versions. You can check that out on my channel. So this video is just going to be strictly on this new STL Creator 11 version 3. So you have the option to do text keychain, text snake, matte based on image, rectangular keychain, and a carnival mask. The carnival mask is the only one that I haven't done yet, but as you can see in his photo here, that's essentially what it would look like, which is kind of cool. So let's start with the text keychain. So I'm going to just do here MikeBot. And that's essentially what it's going to look like. And then you have the option to make it big letters. And then you can add a key chain eyelet to it. And then you can add a plate on the back, which goes on the back of the letters. So I'm going to slice both files here and show you what they both look like. So it takes 2 minutes. It's already sliced here. So I'm just going to go and open the file up into Bamboo Studio now. And there it is. There's the first one. So as I mentioned, this one has the squares in the back. And it's just a little keychain. So let's go ahead and do the exact same thing, but without the plates in the back. So it's ready. Now I'm just going to load it into Bamboo Studio quickly here. And then I'll show you the difference. So here's what it looks like. So that's with the backing, and that's without the backing. Now, when you finally print these, you're going to notice the one with the backing isn't very flexible and it's a little bit stiff. If you play around with it a little bit, it loosens up. But if you don't want to have to bother with that, the version without the back plate works really well. The links are actually very solid. I tried a few different tests. They're hard to break depending on your print settings. So in my case, I printed them with 6 walls, which is overkill. And I went with 10% infill. And I printed it on my Bamboo P1P. So that's the first one. Next, we'll do the text snake. So let's make this one a little longer. I'll add entertainment to it. And we'll do it without the back plates first. I'll load it into Bamboo Studio. And then I will do big letters. Load that into Bamboo Studio now as well. And then last but not least, I'm going to keep it big letters and add the plates in the back. Okay, now those have been added into Bamboo Studio, so I'll show you the difference. So here's the letter snake, the one on top. So this was the first one. Now we have the letter snake here. So we have small letters, big letters, and then you got big letters with the back plate. So really neat. And then as you can see, the software does an amazing job at super fast speed. So next, let's do a rectangular keychain. But now we're going to need images for these ones. So I'll start by loading an image here first. Keep in mind you can only do JPEGs, you can't do PNG, it's not supported. So I'm going to load my MikeBot 3D Shop image here like that. We're going to keep it at 150. We'll add a eyelet. And then we'll thicken the thin parts. And we'll create it. So I will load that into Bamboo Studio now. Oh, looks like I ran into an issue. Let's try that again. Maybe get rid of the details here. 1 second, maybe I didn't select rectangle keychain. Okay, let's try that one more time with the eyelet. There we go. So here it is. Let me just move this out of the way here. And there's the rectangle keychain. So it's got my image. And doesn't look really great in Bamboo Studio, but I'll show you what it looks like once it's printed. So last, I wonder if I can turn this into a mask. I don't think I can, but I will try. No, it doesn't like it. So I haven't played around with the carnival mask or the map based on image. Let me try one more photo here. See if this one works. Yeah, that one worked. So let's see what that mat looks like. Okay. So here's the mat. And keep in mind it is backwards right now because it's on Bamboo Studio. I'm not actually going to print the mat. I don't have a use for it. So I just wanted to show everyone what it would look like in Bamboo Studio. And that's basically it. So that's how the software works. Super easy, super fast. And it's got a ton of features. So I'm going to go ahead and print this. And then I'll show you all what it looks like when it's printed. Alright, so as mentioned, here are the prints. So we have the first one here, which is the MikeBot 3D shop photo. Came out pretty good. We got the keychain. So as I was mentioning, the one with the blocks, it's a little bit stiff. So you got to play around with it a little bit to loosen it up. But overall, pretty good. Then you got the one here, the smaller version with the blocks in the back. And then you have the ones that don't have the blocks and they're just super smooth and easy going. So, like I said, pretty neat software, and the prints came out pretty good, and the links are pretty strong. Like I can pull on these, but that's obviously based on my print settings. So that's it for the demo. So if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. If you want me to review your prints or test your prints and make a video on them, feel free to reach out. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel. That's it for now. Thank you all for watching. MikeBot out.